This is an extra credit opportunity, which means it's not required. But it would be good practice. If you're going to do it, if you're not going to do it, I assume you're already, if you're not going to do it, you're dismissed from this video. But if you'd like to do it, it's good practice. For each correct answer, when I first found this resource, it was all on one single sheet. I've edited it and spaced it out so you have some room to do some work, but because of that, it could be a little confusing. So let's look at the directions. Find each correct answer in the set of answers under the exercise and cross out the letter above it. So all of these problems on this first sheet are theoretical probability problems. So you read the question and answer the questions, but when you get your answer, express the answer in simplest fraction form. You might get a probability that's a fraction that is correct, but if you don't find it down here, maybe you didn't simplify it all the way. So just be aware of that. And then let's say you got 1/6, you would cross out that letter. You cross out the ones you find, and the letters that are left, the letters that remain, are the letters you'll use to fill in these boxes at the end. But it won't fill in all the boxes, it'll just fill in the first half. Then you go over here and you have experimental probability for exercises, and you can use calculator on these. For exercises 9 through 14, express probabilities as percents rounded to the nearest whole. You may use a calculator to convert fractions to percents. So we practiced that on the bagel shop problem just now. Find these experimental probabilities, express them as percents to the nearest whole percent, and then you'll find them down here. If you find 20%, cross off this one. If you find 27%, cross off this one. And then the remaining letters will be the ones that fill in these last spaces. And you'll get the hilarious answer to the riddle, why is Gigi a successful dancer in Paris? I'm happy to help with this. If you have questions, ask. I'm going to count this as anywhere from +1 to +5% added on your last test. That's a lot. So I probably should have led with that if I was thinking. If you do this, you get just send me if you get something nonsensical down here, send it to me anyway, because you might be surprised how many of the letters are correct, and I can figure out where you should land in this range by the letters. Just send me what it spells out, and I'll let you know how many percent I'm adding to your test. All right, have a nice weekend. Bye.